Welcome to the NTE 35W TEXpress Lanes. This video will show you how to enter the northbound NTE 35W TEXpress Lanes near Northside Drive. To enter the TEXpress Lanes from I-35W North, just past downtown Fort Worth and Northside Drive, move over to the left when it's safe to do so. You will see a white pricing sign with several toll rates. The first line shows the HOV2 Plus rate for carpool drivers with passengers or motorcyclists who have activated their 50% weekday rush hour discount through the free Drive On TEXpress app. The second line shows the pricing for vehicles with valid toll tags. If you don't have a toll tag, rates will be higher. For more information on regional HOV policies, visit nctcog.org. After passing under the pricing sign, move over to the left when it's safe to do so and enter the NTE 35W TEXpress Lanes ramp. We hope you have a safe trip.